Don't spend your time beating on a door, on a wall, hoping to transform into a door. Divorce is not fatal. So, but how are you feeling now?
Well, I'm over it.
That's okay. So, I've changed the legal title on this document. It's to improve your chances of getting a split deal in court.
I should go in lawyer.
4 children with a woman outside marriage. That's his wife. He just married you. But have you evaluated property of your husband for the split deal?
The accountant was saying 500 million thereabouts in valued assets.
Okay. Enjoy for me 1 minute. Hello, my dear Baoni. Help me do calculation. Okay. Last quote 10%. Say 10% of 250. 25 million. Nisuru. I'm in a business meeting. I will explain to you. So, my sister, when are you looking to file these divorce papers?
I've spoken to my divorce lawyer already and we are filing papers.
So you have another lawyer for the divorce? So what's my role in this thing now?
Shebi is title that help me to change so that the court can be in my favor.
That's okay. Then about the signature there, then you have to put...
lawyer.
Oh.
Lawyer. Any swear sorrow.
Hello, Honorable Ambassador. How are you?
You only call me ambassador when you're with your wife. Why are you always with her?
The masses have to be carried along for peace to reign in the constituency.
Zaddy, last time you visited me in London, you promised me you would visit me every 3 months and you also invite me to Nigeria. It's been 8 months, Zaddy.
Honorable Ambassador, the masses are seriously fighting against parliamentarians' foreign trips funded by the government. Parliament has therefore decided to cut down on foreign trips.
What does that imply?
Ambassador, I didn't mean to break this news to you this way, but I have no choice. Parliament sat over the weekend and the following resolutions were reached.
Zaddy, what resolution are you talking about?
Ambassador, due to the recent fuel subsidy removal, the Nigerian economy is no longer balanced. Therefore, Parliament has decided that the following government parastatals and cabinet be dissolved and shut down immediately.
What cabinet? And what parastatals are you talking about, Zaddy?
All long-distance ambassadorial appointments are hereby dissolved.
Zaddy? Are you ending our long-distance relationship?
All foreign fake medical trips for parliamentarians are hereby dissolved. All appointments involving flight bookings dissolved. All foreign transfers dissolved. All foreign donations dissolved. Acquisition of foreign properties for parliamentarians also dissolved.
Why are you doing this?
Power to the people.
So, how much is everything?
250,000.
Babe.
You can use your function to play.
What are you doing there? Come now, we'll pay.
Can you behave yourself, please? Don't be a foolish idiot.
This again. Babe. Please, can I borrow your ATM card? I forgot mine.
Alright.
Maybe make you come, give me kiss, waiting I feel do it.
You always come through for me.
Hello? Tell me you did it.
Yes, we did it.
Don't forget to mark your territory.
Okay.
Mark your territory. It is very, very, very important.
Okay, thanks.
Don't forget to mark your territory.
You never see anything.
Know your legend will not use you.
Are you a servant of the devil?
Jesus.
Are you mad?
The work is done.
You left your...
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Women.
Jesus!
See this guy? This guy does have anything.
It's a wonderful finish.
Come on. This guy don't feel come on, go. Come on, go. Imagine.
Okay. Kido system. You were not informed to me. Continue.
Did you ask you? This is the wife. Mumu man.
Don't angry me. Bombastic side eye.
God have mercy upon you. Come on for post.
It's about to go down.
Dissolve!
Out of me and you, what would they grant? Dead body go surplus.
So, young man, this is your pay for today.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right.
Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it?
Ah!
Sporty.
Who is Jessica? I said, who is Jessica? Who is Jessica? Who is Jessica? I said, who is Jessica? Tell me, who is Jessica? Who is Jessica?
May God not let me borrow Bishop.
Amen.
He's never let me down. He's faithful through every season. So why would he
Guy, please never do. Are you tired? Hello? You go sing done. Up your bar. Hey!
5 years of madness.